Hey guys, this is open box review and live demo for MAIYUM soldering wire with Rosin core. It says 50 gram on the tag. Let's remove the strap. Let's see how much is actual weight. It's actually 49 gram, 1 gram short, not too bad. This is equal 1¾ ounce weight. Let's remove the tiny strap, and I'm gonna use the tweezer to open the wire. You can see from the cross section, it actually shows a hollow surface. That's where the Rosin core trapped inside the lead. That's gonna acting like a soldering flex and make the soldering so easy, make the soldering gonna move freely. Let's put on the first demo test. I'm gonna use the 2 wires, copper wire. I'm gonna make it parallel and then twist it. I'm gonna using the soldering wire directly soldered on the copper wire. I'm gonna adjust the soldering point as 260 degree, and then clean my tip and just put the soldering wire directly on the copper wire, just like that. I put a little bit more soldering. It's very smooth because those iron core. So overall, it works very effectively. You don't have to use the soldering flux, soldering paste. Just using the wire directly, it works.